Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix friend requests not sending on Facebook. Alright, let's begin. First, verify if your account has restrictions. Sometimes Facebook temporarily blocks users from sending friend requests if they send too many in a short time, or if requests are marked as spam. To check this, open Facebook, tap the profile menu at the bottom right, and select your profile name. Click the three dots beside Edit Profile, then tap Profile Status. If you see a green tick, your account has no restrictions. If you see a red cross, your account is restricted from sending requests. Now review your privacy settings. Go to the Profile menu, scroll to Settings and Privacy, and select Settings. Under Audience and Visibility, click How People Can Find and Contact You. Tap Who Can Send You Friend Requests, and switch it from Friends of Friends to Everyone. Finally, if the problem still exists, report it. Go to Help and Support, select Report a Problem, then choose Friend Requests. Briefly explain the issue and send it. Facebook usually resolves this within 24 hours. So that's basically how you can fix friend requests not sending on Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.